Hello, my name is Jeff Franklin, and today I would like to show you how to install Walnut Studiolo's leather Oswego handle wrap. Today we will be installing it on this refrigerator handle, but it can be installed on handles big and small, indoors and out. These look like a simple product, but a lot of time and care goes into making them. I take full grain leather, oak tanned in the US, cut it to shape, dye and gloss the surface for waterproofing and a long life. With your wrap, you will receive this little packet with instructions, leather end cuffs, and sharp stainless steel leather staples. All you need to get started is water, scissors, a flathead screwdriver, and electrical tape. The first step in installing the wraps is to clean your handle. Use rubbing alcohol or warm soapy water to remove any grease. Wet the leather down completely using room temperature water. It should be saturated, look darker, and feel pliable. Cut 2 pieces of electrical tape about 4 to 6 inches long. Use one of these pieces to adhere the leather strap to the bottom of the handle. We're going to simply coil the wet leather around the handle. This leather is elastic while it's wet. As it dries, it will tighten into place. Go gently with the first coil. Continue wrapping the handle until you reach the end. Focus on creating an even overlap with each coil. I recommend a 1/4 inch overlap. That's 6 millimeters for our international friends. The bigger the overlap, the less length it will cover. When you get to the end of the handle, cut the leather so that the ends land on the backside. Secure it with the second piece of electrical tape. You can use the handle just like this if you like, but in the next step, we're going to apply a leather cuff with staples to cover the tape for a cleaner look. Wet the leather cuffs and take out the staples. These stainless steel staples are sharp, so be careful. Poke the sharp ends of the 2 staples from the rough backside to the front of the included leather cuff straps on one side. Fold the staples flat, securing them to the leather with the flathead screwdriver. It may help to slightly open the other side of the staple. Wrap the cuff around the top of the handle over the electrical tape. Pull the unstapled end snugly around the handle. Use the pressure of the screwdriver to push the sharp staple ends through the leather. Leverage the screwdriver to fold the staple shut, securing the cuff around the handle. Using scissors, cut the remainder of the cuff off. Use your hands to rotate the staples to the backside of the handle, where they will be hidden. Repeat the process on the other end of the handle, and you're all set. I would love to see pictures of your installations. Find us on social media or our website, walnutstudiolo.com. Thank you very much for your time.